Good day, my good people, traveling deuces. We are getting ready to go on a trip. I'll tell you guys right now where we're going. We're going up to North Carolina over to Andy's Trout Farm and Cabin. Got a little bag packed. We're going to spend the night over there. Clarissa thought she was going to stay in the bed all day. She didn't know exactly where we were going. But look at our surroundings. We got some rain, in the forecast, but we still going to get out and have a good time. She thought that, oh, I'm going to stay home today. I ain't doing nothing. Got her. I'm getting ready to go get her out this house. I got her up already, got her getting dressed. Clarissa, babe, come on, you ready? I'm ready to go now.
Ready to go where?
Babe, we going somewhere.
Where?
We are going somewhere.
It look like it's getting ready to rain.
Well, it is gonna rain, but we still gonna have fun. Come on.
Where are we going first?
I ain't telling you. Usually she pick all the sites. I pick one today, and we're gonna see how she like it.
But where are we going?
In the car.
Don't need to get my jacket?
Uh-oh. Yes, you need to get a jacket.
Okay.
But listen, we're going to wash clothes. Come on. Let's go.
Oh my God.
Guys, you already know where we're going because I told you earlier. She don't know where we're going. I do. I think she going to enjoy it. We've been there before. So we're going to go and have a good time. We'll meet up with you guys there. Peace. Well, babe, you know where we at now?
Andy's Trout Farm.
Up here in North Carolina at Andy's Trout Farm. She thought she was going to wash clothes. I dumped the clothes in the back. We are going to go wash our comforter set, in the RV. We don't wash our comforters in there, so I told her we were going to wash clothes. Took us an hour to get here.
I'm excited. Andy's Trout Farm. We used to come here when we was dating.
Yep.
We first started dating and stuff years ago. I wonder what kind of changes they've made. Andy's Trout Farm. Let me get out, y'all, so y'all can see some. Oh, I'm excited. It still look like it's gonna rain. See this? Look, clouds.
All right, look here, Deuces family. Look at Rope.
Ooh, the water's high. The water is high. Because we're getting a lot of rain. Look at here.
Camera view in the right place. All right,
We're here.
we're here in Otto, North Carolina. Stephen, what's your name?
I'm Melanie.
Melanie, tell us a little bit about this place.
Well, Andy's was started back in 1965 by Andy Cope, and we're celebrating 60 years this year
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yes.
of a family fun operation.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
And so what do we do? What are the site rentals or the cabin rentals here?
Cabin rentals, one bedrooms are $100 a night, two bedrooms are $115 a night.
Okay.
They're very rustic, simple cabins, nothing
Yeah.
fancy.
Okay.
No TVs, no Wi-Fi.
No TV,
Yeah,
no Wi-Fi.
that's great.
important.
Yeah.
Let everybody
yeah.
know. And so, what about the fishing? How does that, come about?
Sure.
We want to come up and go
So
fishing.
we have rainbow trout,
Okay.
and we have stocked ponds. So you pay for what you catch.
Okay.
This year it's $6.50 a pound, and you do have to keep what you catch. You can't throw them back.
Can't throw anything.
You don't need any kind of license, so you don't have to do that. You don't need a reservation. Just
Okay.
come when we're open, and you can fish. You can bring your own poles and equipment, or we do rent poles, and we
Okay.
sell bait also.
Okay. And so, guys, we'll get out here. We're gonna show you around. Take a look at the ponds out here.
All right, y'all.
All right.
Check things out.
Thank you so much. Yeah,
You remember this big one right here?
that's,
The time that I say snake, but it's what is it, babe?
that's a snake. They said a water. Oh no, that's just a water snake. It's a snake.
That's a snake.
We were out here fishing, and so
he was trying to get our bait.
yeah,
Remember?
no, he was coming after our fish.
Oh.
Yeah, he wanted to fish. I'm gonna turn this around. Like she said, the water's, I can see from here the water's a little dirty, but you know, you guys know this is pay to catch. You come out here, it's you know, family friendly, fun environment where you come out, and I mean, as soon as you throw your bait in, pretty much you're gonna catch a fish. But however, I think you know, people enjoy it, so you're not coming out, you know, sitting up all day long and trying to fill coolers and coolers up, because again, she said it was $6 and something a pound, so you get one fish, that's probably $6. Imagine you had 4 people, 6 times 4, $24. Plus they charge you to clean it if you decide to have them to clean it. I know the last time we came was Clarissa, Adam, Almanzo, and Baxley.
That's the dog. I call them lake bay. I call these ponds.
Yep. The pond, the lake pond. I think the last time, look, you go through this little atrium, walk across this bridge right here. But you say church? Probably do.
Look,
Oh yeah.
they got
Oh,
that.
that's
They got
kinda
the
cool.
cross.
The cross? Oh, that's nice. I didn't even notice that. I'm glad you saw that. You see the cross? The pulpit?
I guess if you're short, you can stand up on this. To make yourself tall.
Yeah, even if you're tall, more. You stand up on it. This is, oh, there go one of the cabins in the background. Let's try to get, let me see if I can see that cabin right there. Looky there. Show you guys the cabin and what they look like, or what come with the cabin. I think this is a 2-bedroom cabin. We're at site number 1. And look at this. I don't know how you're gonna get back up. No, I'm turning loose. She done walked down this hill. I don't have on no hiking shoes. I don't know what this camera doing right now, cause I'm trying to protect myself first. I'm trying to protect myself. Look, guys. This is the waterfall Again, cabin site number 1. I think all the cabins, if I remember, do come like that with a chair, as well as tables and a barbecue grill. But man, can you imagine staying out here, listening to this stuff right here? You know, this is a slice of heaven, you know, to be out here and enjoying this scenery. I love the water in the background. You hear it, that white noise at night. On the ground right here, you see they got a little fire pit, come with a bench, you know. Come out, you bring your tablecloth and cover that up, picnic on your own table on your back porch as well. Guys, look at this. Look at the trees. And the very thing that I'm always excited for is the water. I love it. Love it. Again, well, these are the cabins. Hope I'm not violating anybody's property. These are the cabins.
Well, that's it, you guys.
We came, we saw, we conquered, however that thing go. We're here, Otto, North Carolina, Andy's Trout Farm. You see what it is? Come out here and get your adventure on. Let's make it happen.
Deuces! Don't forget to subscribe, like, ring that notification.
Ring that bell, ring the notification. Bing, 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 bing. Fine. There it is. See him? Some final snakes. My wife can find. So I guess this will be the end.